All right, this is going to be a test video. I'm actually doing this for myself, but I figured publishing it couldn't hurt. I'm not the greatest at audio, and I've noticed that. Restart. I am back after a very long recess. I've had multiple surgeries. We're not going to get into all that. Hopefully, I can get back to video editing and producing a few videos. I'm not big on YouTube, but I wouldn't mind continuing doing a few. I have made some recordings, but I found my biggest issue has always been audio. I have terrible audio recording in here. Right now, I am using the terrible audio I normally use. That's right there is an iPhone 15, which I just recently started using because I acquired it. And that's an iPhone 13, excuse me, I got it backwards. That's an iPhone 15. This is an iPhone 13 mini. I used to also use an iPad before I got the 15. I acquired the 15 through channels, blah, blah, blah. I'm not going to get into all that. I have had a mic. My brother gave me this like a year or two ago for Christmas. I never really tried it. I have recently started to try it and didn't love the audio. It wasn't terrible, but it would spike out every once in a while. I have some videos I've recorded, but I didn't like the audio, and I'm not great at. I don't understand. I'm not good at audio editing and fixing, and it just never came out good. Every time I started tweaking it, I just made it worse. So recently, the whole Amazon Prime BS, Prime Weekend, Prime whatever they have sale, I have been watching some videos on audio, and this, whatever brand it is, I can't even remember the name of the brand, I'll write it up here, was one of the better rated by a lot of like podcasters and YouTubers, and just in general, a lot of people love this brand, and now I can't remember the name of it, and I have glasses, I can use those. Hollyland. They come kind of like iPhone, iPod minis in a little case. You get the mic and the transmitter. Very similar to this. This wasn't that expensive either. This is supposed to be very highly rated for its price. It used to be hundreds of dollars, like right around $100. It was under 50 on sale. It's normally like 60. This, if I can get it open, if I can remember how to open it, is the one my brother gave me, which has a very similar setup. Has the mic. This is the mic. Here's your mic. They both have a very similar transponder-y thing, receiver, that plug into your iPhone. I'm going to do a test with all of these. Again, right now, I'm using the two iPhones. I will switch back and forth and tag which one is which for the audio. Then I will try this. Then I will try this. Let's get to it. Again, iPhone 15. Here's my audio. They're about, I don't know, 5-6 feet away, both of them, pretty evenly. But as I turn to this one and turn to that one, you're probably going to notice a difference. But iPhone 15 audio, iPhone 13 mini audio. Let's switch them out. Okay. This is the no name. I'm assuming my brother got it off of Amazon from the looks of it. It literally has no name or branding on it at all. This is the mic. It clips on. You can put it wherever. I'm assuming like right here is a good spot. It's not terrible audio, as you can probably see. Now this is plugged into the iPhone 15. It's a USB-C. You can get an adapter so you can put it into the 13 mini. The older iPhones have the lightning, right? Yeah, lightning connector Can't get all their Apple's connectors names straight. But anyways, this is the wireless microphone. There's a bunch of these. They all are kind of generically the same thing from what I understand. There's a whole mess of them. They're under 20 bucks, most of them. They all kind of look the same. They all work the same. They come with 2 mics. I've actually lost one. It's in the shop here somewheres. But I still have this one. It's a USB-C, so I can only plug it into the iPhone 15. But that doesn't really matter because it's the sound. I don't think the iPhone has any bearing on how the sound's recorded much. So here's this mic. Hopefully it's working. I'm not even sure if I did it right. All right, this is the Hollyland. I believe it's the M4. I don't know. I'll write the model number up here. It's supposed to be highly rated. I haven't tested a whole bunch of mics. I'm just testing these. Supposedly, it's got a little magnet. Supposedly, this thing's really good. You just stick the magnet behind you and you tie it to your shirt. Assuming you got a weird click. But that's the sound you get from it. You can probably get better. And it's probably going to make noise as I fiddle with it. As it goes along, supposedly there's noise cancellation. I believe if I hit this button once, it turns green. Now it's got noise cancellation on. I believe if I hit it again, nope, that just turns it off. I think there's a step up model that has 2 or 3 levels of noise cancellation. I don't know. We'll have to look. I kind of like this. It's blue. Actually, on the phone, I know you can't see it, but on the phone itself, there's a little blue indicator on the transmitter that's telling me it's functioning and it's connected, blah, blah, blah. So this is the Hollyland, Happy Land microphone. Comes with a little charging case. It's pretty nice. 2 microphones, 1 transfusion transceiver receiver over here. That's pretty much it. This is really short and sweet. This is all I'm getting into. This is all this video is about. It's just testing this microphone I just got. Hopefully it was worth the money because my audio is my bane in my YouTube videos. So there you have it.